Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
You begin by creating a new Google site, so open Sites. Google. And click the plus button. This gets you into editing immediately. Pick a template if you want a quick structure, or choose blank to design every block. This matters later for consistency. Upload a logo and a hero image now, and write a concise 1 to 2 sentence tagline. Once done, you'll set the tone and colors that guide the rest of your design. Now you design the page structure. Add sections to create rows and pick layouts for 1/2 or full-width columns so content balances visually. Drag text boxes and images into place, and use the insert embed for maps or forms. Keep fonts and colors consistent to maintain a cute, cohesive look. Adjust padding and alignment, then test the navigation links and add a contact form. Make sure to preview mobile, because responsive quirks often appear only there. Finish by polishing details. Set a favicon, choose a header type, and add a custom domain if you want branding. Click Publish, choose your URL, and select Viewer Permissions. Public versus restricted affects discoverability. After publishing, walk through the live site to confirm spacing and load speed. If something goes wrong, clear your browser cache, re-upload optimized images, and verify links. If layout shifts persist, adjust section widths and republish until it's stable and cute.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.